Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing XPR Network, something blockchain. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got $50 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $129 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, guys, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets. I personally prefer storing the assets in a cold hardware wallet, so do check it out and be safe. Anyways, guys, now let us look into the price and chart of both XPR and Metal at the time of the recording, guys. Let's see what they have been up to. This is XPR Network, guys. The price is down 2.46% for the day. Although the volume has increased 25%, 25.24%, yeah, above 1 million at the moment, 1.03 million approximately. If we look at the 7-day chart, guys, it is down 22.09%. It has come down from 0.001416 all the way to 0.00112. Guys, most of the projects I know are in the red, and they have given back the gains that they had made. Aside from a few projects out there, a lot of them are in the red, guys. So yeah, check this out, guys. This is the 1 month chart. It has come back down, and it is testing this support over here. Talking about the gains it made in the month, it has come back down, and it is testing this support level over here, 0.0011. And I've told you guys the zero that has been killed, the 0.001. There were three zeros, and when the zero has been killed, it has basically forged a good psychological level for support. So I think the price has the chance to stay above the 0.001 mark, and from here on forward, it might go down and go up and down, and then eventually go up and test the resistance levels in the monthly as well as yearly resistance levels. Check this out, guys. This is the year. In the yearly, it is up 15.00%. Although, guys, it went as low as 0.006217 and made really great gains, guys, from 0.0006 all the way to 0.002. So really good gains over here. Since that time, it has come back down, and it is testing these crucial yearly support levels. Let's see how it goes, guys, because overall XPR is still extremely undervalued, down 98.29% since its all-time highs, as well as Metal, guys. Metal is down significantly as well. Let us look at Metal blockchain over here. So Metal has come down, guys. $7.5 million market cap for Metal. It is down six. The volume is down 6.97%. If we look at this last 7 days chart, down to 12%, almost 13%. But guys, overall, it is down like XPR 96.88%. So those of you who truly have conviction in the Metallicus ecosystem and what XPR network and Metal blockchain stand for, if they believe that the banking innovation is in progress, check this out, the blockchain for banking is in progress, then you have this is one of the best opportunities to invest in these projects after this dip, after this correction, if you truly believe it. Obviously not financial advice, guys, anything can happen. Anyways, guys, now let me share with you a post over here. Check this out, guys. This is from the official Metallicus X handle. Marshall Hayner has also reposted this. So something blockchain plus banking, June 7th. So this is sort of a subliminal message as to there might be something brewing out there, guys. There's something that is being built, or there's some news out there that will be soon released, in my opinion. But this is some sort of a hidden message. People are also anticipating what is it. There can be only one. Love it. The amount of FOMO will be epic. Something is cooking. So people believe that something is happening. I'm so excited to watch it all unfold. The irony of people chasing memes and always saying, Do your own research." A large rhetoric of crypto has been the future of banking, and now it is actually happening, and people are debating cats and dogs. Now, this is one of the best comments I've read in a while now, guys. So I'm going to be liking this. So kudos to Mr. Nick. I'm going to be bookmarking this as well. So this is true, guys. People thought that the crypto will be all about changing the financial system, transforming it, and making it better. But recently, everything has changed after the meme coin rhetoric, the meme coin narrative, the hype, the Shiba Inu run, the Dogecoin run. I mean, that is good. I mean, people have made a lot of money from them. But overall, this was not the aim of what this technology, the blockchain technology, stands for. Even if we talk about the founders, who there's a whole lot of debate as to who Satoshi Nakamoto was and what and whatever. But I do not think that he believed that these cats and dogs memes are going to be what this industry will stand for. Despite hating banks, the decentralized folks hating banks, and what everything is now happening and developing, but still, the cats and dogs memes and the monkey JPEGs, JPEGs, I do not think that people, the founders, wanted this to be the future of crypto, guys. Basically, so let me share with you something over here as well, guys, as to what's happening in the Metallicus ecosystem. So what's this? XPR Network A-Chain update. A-Chain is live on the Teho testnet, running in a closed-loop system. Milestones: 1:1 parity with Leap. We've matched Leap, ensuring seamless performance. Smooth boot sequence. The boot sequence ran flawlessly, enabling smart contracts. This is cool. What else do we have? What else has Marshall shared with us? Metal Layer 2, Biconomy has submitted a proposal to integrate their account abstraction infrastructure on Metal Layer 2. This integration aims to enhance dApp capabilities on our chain, improving efficiency and user experience. Details follow. I really like what Marshall is doing. He's reposting everything relevant, guys. Most of the time, I do not even have to go anywhere else for a new update on XPR network or the Metallicus ecosystem. Marshall reposts really good stuff. So what is this? Crypto News, 7 June 2024. Despite claiming he wouldn't, late on Friday night, President Biden vetoed the FIT21 bill that we told you about 2 weeks ago, which was going to give the CTFC regulatory oversight over crypto. Okay. Dogecoin in Times Square, New York City. Dogecoin has become a brand, despite the meme frenzy. Now people know about Doge. This is true. Doge designer. But really, we shouldn't be encouraging the meme trend and the meme frenzy, because that is going to be encouraging a lot of these new projects that basically rely on only hype and speculations. We need to basically transcend out of that era of this technology and this industry, to be very honest. We need real world use case, real world solutions. Metalix offers a full suite of DeFi tools, including swaps, farms, lending, and a featured rich DEX with limit orders, market orders, stop loss, take profit. Cool. Check this out, guys. Talking about if something is brewing, we are getting some news out there about Metal Layer 2 and what's happening with Optimism, connecting the Optimism superchain to the VR Metallicus digital banking network, the banking layer. So I think the news that Marshall will be huge, in my opinion, because it is about time that we get some solid news out there. Let's see what that is. But I think that this was the message that Metallicus has given. This is something that they're building, or this a partnership or something of that sort. Let's see how it is. Because guys, check this out. This from Frank Gargano. Blockchain can be a tricky field to navigate, so Vibrant CU is enlisting the expertise of VR Metallicus to explore how it can adopt the firm's products and learn more about use cases throughout the financial services industry. Now, guys, check this out. Huge news out there yet again. I really like what's happening out there, and this is awesome, guys. And a lot of people are now learning about XPR and what it stands for. Check this out, guys. XPR Network, hidden gem, price 0.001186. The XPR network facilitates the tokenization of real world assets as well. Guys, this is the area of XPR network that has oftentimes been neglected, guys, and ignored. The tokenization of real world assets. It is interoperable advisory board of former banking executives and OCC deputy controller, I think. What is this controller? Anyways, check this out. The tokenized assets. The XPR network facilitates the tokenization of real world assets such as real estate, uh, more than $300 trillion industry, art and commodities. By representing these assets as digital tokens on the blockchain, fractional ownership and trading becomes seamless, enabling broader access to investment opportunities and increasing liquidity in traditional illiquid markets. This is awesome, guys. RWAs could be a $16 trillion opportunity till 2030. So XPR is also a part of this transformation. If only they are interoperable across many private plus public blockchains. How do institutions view this multi-chain challenge? Citi, Deutsche Bank, Mastercard, Northern Trust, Centrifuge, Metrica Co. provide insights. Institutional interoperability, guys. Check this out. White paper with insights from these giants, guys. This is awesome, guys. So I really like what the Metallicus ecosystem is doing. What do you guys think is brewing as we talked about the post out there, the subliminal message, something blockchain plus banking. What do you guys think is brewing? And is this an announcement, a product, a use case, or a partnership? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.